Hello and welcome to Cooking with Charlie, the cooking show that brings you great recipes every day. And today we'll be making cupcakes. Cupcakes sound really easy and simple, but we're giving it a twist. We're actually making cakes inside a cup. And I'll show you the recipe and how to make them right now. Okay, so step 1. You have a bowl and you need to add 4 tablespoons of self-raising flour. I've measured everything out here already, so it'll be simpler for you to follow. So the 4 tablespoons of self-raising flour in a bowl. Make sure you get every last bit. And then you also need 4 tablespoons of caster sugar in the bowl as well. And 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. You can choose to put it in a big mug or a bowl. I've chosen to put it in a bowl first and then pour it into my mug because I think it'll be easier to mix. So you have to, after you've poured the cocoa powder in, you need to put it in a bowl and find your largest cup so it stops it from overflowing in the microwave. And then step 2, you need to add 1 medium egg and mix it as much as you can. But just don't worry if there's any dry mix left because we can mix that in later with milk and other liquids. So I need to crack the egg in. Nice and simple. And then grab a spoon or any spoon. It doesn't have to be a wooden spoon, it could be a normal spoon. I've chosen a wooden spoon because I like wooden spoons. And mix it in as much as you can. As you mix it in, make like a circular motion so it gets everything around it, and it should turn into like a weird pasty looking thing. Not pasty, but crumbly almost. Just make sure can't see any more bits of yolk in the egg in the mix. Okay, so after you've mixed it as much as you can, so you need to add 3 tablespoons of milk, which I have here, and then 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil or sunflower oil, it doesn't matter, it all has the same reaction. And then you can also add a few drops of vanilla extract or something to do with vanilla. If I open it, can't open it. Hey Mum, can you open the vanilla for me? Can you open the vanilla for me? Be in the TV show.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Hi everyone.
Thank you.
Oh, there we go.
So you just need to add a few drops of the vanilla extract. Not much. And then mix it until it gets smooth. So you should get a smooth cake mixture sort of thing. It's going to be like a weird, not weird, it'll be nice chocolatey vanilla cupcake in a cup cupcake. So mix that until there's no lumps left. Keep mixing until it's nice and smooth. Okay, once it's smooth, you can add some chocolate chips or nuts. If you don't have any chocolate chips or anything that you can put in it, you can just use little bits of chocolate. I've just had chocolate Santas, just small bits of chocolate that you can break up into little bits and put in your mixture. Okay. Just break them into little bits so it's like little chips. Then put it in the mixture. and then mix. Once you put it all in, so once you put it all in and mix it again until they're in the mixture. Okay, so once the chocolate chips or whatever you've chosen to put inside it is mixed in, if you've done it in a bowl like I have, take the bowl and fill the cup up with the stuff. If you've done it in the cup, just wait for the next instructions. It should look a bit like this that's coming out now. Just fill it up until you think it shouldn't overflow, because it will rise a little bit. So just fill it up enough so it doesn't overflow. So you can use something to help get it out if you wish. That's what I'm doing. Okay, so once you poured everything in, you can then put it in the microwave for 1.5 to 2 minutes, or until it stops rising, and it should be firm enough so you can touch it and it doesn't sink. So pop it in your microwave in the centre of it so it gets most of it. I'm going to put it in for 2 minutes, and then we just wait until it's done. So if you're trying to make these cakes, I recommend you watch tutorial videos on it. I've never made this cake before, but it's fun. It's really fun. I recommend it. Really fun. So you just need to wait for the microwave to stop cooking, and then your cake should be done. So we just need to wait a little bit more, and it'll be ready to eat.